Igongona rĩambĩrĩirie na nyĩmbo na ndohiũ, arutwo hamwe na arimũ magĩkenera ũhotani wa umwe wao, mwarimu Lucy Mugo. Ni erĩga kũheo ngerenwa ya mwarimu ũrĩa wĩ kĩo mũno bũrũri-inĩ thutha wa ruga ĩrĩa athomithagia ya Gĩthwaĩri kwambatĩra kuma mean grade ya pointi 3 kinya pointi 8. Mugeni wa gĩtĩo igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ oima chairman wa Royal Media Services Dr. SK Macharia ũrĩa ũtugire mwarimu mũhotani na ciringi ngiri igana rĩmwe rĩa mirongo itano.
It is written Lucy Mugo 150,000 Kenya shillings.
Naguo cukuru wamũkĩra ciringi mirioni imwe.
For a major project like a bus, I will ask you, a member of parliament and the headmistress, they make arrangement. We call a harabe, and Royal Media will make a major contribution, or we agree, whoever we find what kind of a bus that is needed. I contribute 1 shilling, and your parents contribute 1 shilling. Even if whatever the amount that is the bus is going to cost, so that we both share together. But for today, we want to give the school 1 million Kenya shillings, so that you can use this money, and the chairman of the school is here. You can use this money for your immediate need.
Oho, Dr. Macharia ni ekĩrire arutwo aya hinya thutha wa kũmahe rũgano rwake rwa ũrĩa athire rũgendo rwa thikũ igana rĩmwe mĩrongo ĩna na inyanya agĩkinyĩra gĩthomo bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika.
My father sold everything he had, and he could only get 1,200 shillings. So I was left. So that's why I went by bus. And it is me who is here now. So there is nothing in this world that you want to achieve that you cannot achieve.
Hamwe na atongoria angĩ arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie nĩ hamwe na mũmbunge wa Mathira Peter Weru, amemerekia a ceceni ya Royal Media Services.
Gũkũ nĩ Karatina Girls na rĩu gĩkeno kĩrĩa kĩ gũkũ nĩ kĩingĩ mũno, airĩtu gũkũ no kũina maraina.
Ona nĩ mekwĩyumĩrĩtie kuonania ũnyitanĩri wao.
We are very proud of our achievement. We are very proud of what this school has done countrywide, and this is part of the things that we do as Royal Media Services, connecting with our audiences at a very early stage throughout the country. By constantly engaging with our audiences, we understand your needs, and when you grow, we also grow.
Mwarimu Lucy Mugo o hamwe na mwarimu munene wa cukuru ucio matinahitha gĩkeno kĩao.
Tumefurahi sana kwa ukarimu wako, kwa unyenyekevu. Natoa shukrani zangu za dhati kwa moyo wangu wote. Ni jambo ambalo sijawahi kutarajia, ni jambo ambalo sijawahi kuliota maishani mwangu, kwamba mimi mwenyewe nitatokea kwa runinga, mimi mwenyewe nitakuwa item ya matangazo ya runinga. Hata sisi wenyewe katika shule hii hatujawahi kufikiria kuwa jambo kama hili linaweza kutokea.
We are privileged to host the Royal Media team here, and we cannot take it for granted. Indeed, this is the day the Lord has made.
Nake mũrutwo ũyũ acokia ngatho na njĩra ya mwanya.
Dr. Macharia, from far away you have come. You have come up and you'll go up. Your birth was divine. You were born with a purpose. Yes, an international purpose. To be the light of the world, like you've been in this school. God's vessel in the world to uproot poverty. For God's will is his people to become rich. You have lifted many people's life. Glory be to God. For through you, he has become the father to the orphans of this country. He says he's the father to the fatherless. Dr. Macharia, you have a great responsibility in Kenya and in the whole world. And so, look ahead. Look ahead, do not look back. Accept together the lesson. Your past has given a foundation to your future. If you fall, do not be discouraged. Get up. If others are ahead of you, follow them, but keep going towards your goal.
Mwana mwega ndagaga muthambia. Na umuthi utana wa chairman wa Kambuni ya Royal Media Services Dagitari SK Macharia wa mutuma guka gutuga mwarimu Lucy Mugo na cukuru eno ya airetu ya Karatina. Gladys Kego, Inoro TV, Karatina.